Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is John and I'm the owner of You Don't Know Jack Barbecue, which is located right here in Central Texas. And so today we'll be making some beautiful, delicious, mouth-watering carne asada street tacos. And then on top of that we'll also be making some homemade avocado crema, some pico de gallo, and some pickled onions. So drop it in the comments below if you want to see videos of me making those condiments. And once again, thank you for stopping by my channel. Thank you for liking and subscribing. And if you haven't already done so, go ahead and hit that square subscription button throughout this video. And make sure you hit that bell notification. This way when we send out new videos, you can get notified. Now for me, when making carne asada, it's more about the marinade than it is for the rubs. So carne asada is a Mexican dish that just simply meaning grilled meat. And you can make carne asada as a main course, or you can use it as filling for burritos and tacos like we're about to do. And so this marinade recipe, I hate to admit, it is not mine. It is my brother's. And so I added a few ingredients to it that kind of give it the old Jack twist to it. So it's not exactly his, but he gave me a really good base recipe to go off of. So we're going to go ahead and knock these bad boys out. I'm going to stop yapping. Let's go, Jack. Okay, so what we have here is a delicious beef USDA choice skirt steak, and I got this at my local commissary. The few stores that we have around us did not carry these, and so we are going to probably cut this in half, more than likely. Look at this beautiful, beautiful cut of meat. Probably longer than my doggone board. But so we are going to take this cut off right there. We're going to cut this one off right here. Look at this. Beautiful cut of meat right here. Okay, so for this carne asada tacos that we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and do the marinade, which consists of the following ingredients: 1 tablespoon of ground cumin, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of sea salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, juice of 1 lime. Ooh, that smells fantastic already. I'm going to dump in a half cup of olive oil, It doesn't have to be olive oil. It could be whatever oil you want to do. You want to do canola oil, you can do that. You want to do vegetable oil, you can do that as well. But for this, I am using my olive oil. And then we're going to add in 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. Then we're going to add in half cup of teriyaki sauce. And we're going to add in a half or a quarter cup of soy sauce. And then we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of chipolite chili powder. 3 cups of cilantro, chopped cilantro. And then we're going to zest 1 lime. And I can tell you from right now, these flavors are popping. All I just smell is that fragrance of the cilantro. I smell the lime. And it is going to be great. I hope. We still gotta put this in a bag with carne asada. And then we're gonna marinate it here for a couple hours in the fridge. Get all these flavors fumigating together. And then we'll throw these suckers on the grill. We'll make some fresh avocado crema. Okay, so now that we got this beautiful meat trimmed up, we're going to go ahead and put it inside a bag and throw the marinade in it. Put it in a refrigerator between anywhere between 1 to 6 hours, and then we'll see you back later. Now that I got the meat in the bag, we're going to go ahead and put the marinade in. We're going to mix it around. We'll throw it in the fridge for a few hours, and then we'll take it out. So let's go ahead and get these suckers on. I'm going to cook them 3 minutes and 30 seconds aside. I'm going to flip them. And then the remainder of this marinade, I'm going to put it over during the course of the cook here. Okay, so let's see how these bad boys turned out. We're going to just cut these probably in little pieces like this. Yes, very beautiful. Very beautiful. Alrighty, that's what we want. And then we're just going to slice them, I guess, the grain, like so. This is a very simple recipe to do, simple marinade. I'll go ahead and put the recipe inside the description, and then this way you can have this recipe maybe as a base or something to actually use. But at any rate, this is a very, very tasty dish. I mean, it just cuts so beautifully. And what I'll do is I'm going to Okay, so here's the final product. Once again, very simple to make. You can marinate the carne asada in a marinade for anywhere between 1 hour to 6 hours. I actually did it for about 4 hours, and so my first time I'm doing this, and so it looks pretty good. The meat's delicious. I can't wait to try it with all the condiments on it. all the extras, and let's get after it. Don't mind the mess. After all, it is a taco. Squeeze it down a little bit. This is absolutely delicious. You get that good vinegar crunch from the onion. Their marinade is just tremendous with the soy and the brown sugar. The cilantro is just right. The crema is absolutely delicious. Absolutely delicious. Absolutely delicious bite. Street tacos. You make these. You can walk around your yard. You can walk around the street. You can get them. Heck, you sit down and eat them. These things are that good. There's a good hint of lime in here, both from the pico de gallo, the crema, and the marinade. You can really taste it, but it's not overpowering. And so I'm gonna keep on eating these things, and then I might have to give some to my neighbors to let them try it. So they'll be off camera, and we'll see how that goes. And if I can get some footage for that, I will. But enjoy these. These are great. These will be great for the Super Bowl. I can almost guarantee it. It'll be great for the Super Bowl. And so, thank you for joining to this video. Go ahead and hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe and hit that bell for more notifications. And let me know what you think. Thank you.